banned immediately. It should be banned. Kids have gone mad. Children have gone mad. Becoming viral and all this nonsense going on. Parents have no control because of all this nonsense on their children. Parents are helpless. They have no control on the children because of these kind of platforms you're talking about. These are actually murders. These are actually murders. My entire world finished in 1 second. In just 1 second, without any mistake. My son was driving perfect. He was driving slow. He was in his lane. Without any mistake, he is gone. He is killed. He is killed. Without any mistake, he is killed. Being right also, we can't survive. Then where to go? Where to go?